Hi there. This video explains how to display a contact form pop-up in Joomla on button click. And of course, we will do this using Balbooa Forms Builder. Okay, to keep this video short, we will not create a form from scratch. We will use a previously created contact form. How to create a contact form, link you will find in the description below. From the Forms dashboard, open the form for editing by clicking on it. First of all, we need to enable Popup. From the toolbar, open Design Options, navigate to Layout, and from the drop-down select Lightbox. Before we start playing with pop-up options, let's make a few changes in form design. Navigate to Advanced Design Settings, tab Width. Change form width to 800 pixels. Then, move to tab Spacing and change padding to 75 pixels. And the last one, let's add border radius. Open border options and set 20 pixels for border radius option. One more thing, shadow. Navigate to Shadow tab and add smooth shadow to form. Okay, it's time to explore available pop-up options. First option allows you to set pop-up backdrop color and transparency. Using a color palette, pick a color and set transparency. I prefer without strong contrasts. By clicking on the icon gear, you will find all available lightbox options. Trigger allows you to set when and how to display pop-up. Since in this video we are exploring how to display contact form in pop-up on button click, we'll select Click. Let's move to the next tab, Display. Here you can select the pop-up position. We will leave the pop-up in the center of the screen. Also, you can select one of the available pop-up animations. All animations can be previewed right in the editor. I will pick Slide in Bottom. Okay, our pop-up is ready. Now it's time to add it to the site. Move back to tab, General, and copy, Embed Code. And don't forget to save the form. Now we need to add copied embed code to the button. I will do it in the Joomla website builder grid box. Open button settings and paste code to the class suffix field. If you are using any other page builder, you need to do the same. Just add code to the button class suffix field. But that's not all for today. Now I'm going to show you how to start displaying the contact form pop-up on the menu item click. For that we will create a new menu item. From the Joomla dashboard, navigate to your menu. From the toolbar, click on the button New. Enter menu item title, Contact Us. For menu item type, we need to select System Links and URL. To the field link, enter hash and link. I will use Contact Us. Move to the tab, Link Type, and to the field, Link Class, enter Form Embed Code. Save the menu item and let's check on site. So, we have learned how to display contact form pop-up on button and menu click in Joomla using Balbooa Form Builder. It was quite easy. See ya.